Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create PayPal account. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your browser and then go to search bar and type PayPal and then hit the enter button. Right now open at the first link and then after that you can find on the top right corner sign up. So you just need to click here. So after that there have two options, individual account and business account. If you are using for your personal use, select individual, or if you want to create account for business, select business. Now you can find a option for your phone number. So you just need to type your phone number and then select next. Now PayPal will send you a verification code to your phone number. So you just need to put this code on here and select next. Now you just need to give your email address, then first name, then last name, and then you just need to give your password for your PayPal profile. So you just need to give at least 8-character password on here. And after type all, you just need to select next. Now you just need to add your full address. First of all, you just need to give your nationality, then date of birth, and then there have two lines for your address. So you just need to type your address and then postal number and then check mark these two options, and finally you just need to select agree and create account. Now you can find a option for link a card. So you can add your debit or credit card on here. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip it, just select not now. Now I can successfully create my PayPal account. So in this way you can very easily create your PayPal account. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.